Traditionally, in the fan industry, lagging is something that's a bit of an afterthought. So they'll make the fan and then they'll get fabricators to sort of like tack a few bits on, maybe put lagging cleats and then bodge something up to allow them to apply some lagging. And then sometimes it's done by outside contractors. The big problem with this is it's not an integrated design, unlike ours, where everything just bolts together. So when we take the fan apart, the lagging doesn't fall apart. Because of the way we now fill the casings with a blowing unit, even if the lagging degrades over time, we can very easily refill it. And more importantly, the appearance of the fans are lagged fans. You wouldn't even know it was a lagged fan looking at it, in comparison to other people's where you'll see a fan and quite obviously you can just see that the lagging's been patched onto the outside of it. So its functionality and its appearance, and also I would say probably better performance.